Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 9 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 13 Surface Areas and Volumes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 13.3, question number 7. Radius of base of bucket. Now, that previous example answer of question number 7 is given here. Radius of base of bucket is equal to 18 centimeter. Height of bucket is equal to 32 centimeter, and that bucket is cylindrical. And area of sand in the bucket is equal to pi r square into h, and therefore pi into 18 into 18 into 32 cm square. Okay, let radius of conical heap be r and slant height be l. Height of the conical heap is equal to 24 centimeter given, and therefore volume of conical heap is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square into h. So is equal to pi into r square into 24 upon 3 is equal to pi r square into 8 cm cube. This and this get cancelled. Statement number 2. Since bucket is emptied on the ground and conical heap is formed, so volume of sand in the bucket is equal to volume of conical heap. So is equal to pi r square into 8 is equal to pi into 18 into 18 into 32, and hence r square is equal to 18 into 18 into 32 is equal to 18 into 18 into 2 into 2, and therefore r is equal to 18 into 2, and therefore radius of conical heap is equal to 36 centimeter. Okay. Now slant height is equal to under root h square plus r square. So is equal to under root 576 plus 1296. If you add this, you will get under root 1872, and is equal to under root 4 into 4 into 9 into 13, and hence slant height is equal to 4 into 3 into root 13, that is 12 root 3, and hence slant height of the heap is equal to 12 root 3 cm centimeter. Okay. Question number 8. Water in a conical water in a canal. Now this example is very important. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? Okay. Now this is very important example. Try to understand. Solution. Width of the canal, that is cuboid, canal is cuboid, so canal is equal to 6 centimeter, depth is equal to 1.5 meter, speed of water is equal to 10 centimeter, 10 kilometer per hour. So in this case cuboid is given, and 6 centimeter is what width of canal, and depth is equal to given, but the length is not given. So this length you can find by the speed of water. Okay, and therefore h is equal to 10,000 meters. Okay, so or you convert into meters. Now therefore volume of water flowing through canal in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, is equal to 6 into 1.5 into 10,000 is equal to 6 into 15 into 1000. So this 1.5 I convert into 15 upon 10, and 110 is cancelled with this 10, and therefore this is equal to 6 into 15 into 1000 meter cube. Okay. Now volume of water flowing through canal in 30 minutes is equal to half of this. So 6 into 15 into 1000 upon 2 is equal to 45000 meter cube. Okay. Now 8 centimeters standing water is needed to irrigate. So area is equal to N into H and is equal to volume. So area is equal to area into 8 is equal to upon 100 is equal to 45000, and if you simplify this you will get area is equal to 45,000 into 100 upon 8, that is equal to 562500 meter square. Okay. Now in this case standing height means h is given. Okay. So the volume is equal to, this is the basic formula of volume. Volume is equal to area of base into height. Question number 9. A farmer connect a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? Okay. Now try to understand this example. Again, this example is also important. Solution. Cylindrical tank diameter is equal to 10 meter and therefore radius is equal to 5 meter and is equal to 500 centimeter. Depth h is equal to 2 meter, that is 200 centimeter. So volume of water in tank is equal to pi r square into h, pi into 500 into 500 into 200, and gives you pi into 5000000 cm cube. Statement number 1. Okay, I convert all this into centimeter because I want to find the capacity of water in liter. Pipe cylindrical, diameter is equal to 20 centimeter, radius is equal to 10 centimeter, rate of flowing water is equal to 3 kilometer per hour, that means 30000 cm per hour. So volume of water flowing is equal to through pipe in 60 minutes is equal to pi r square into h, pi into 10 into 10 into 30000. Okay, and if you simplify this you will get 3000000 pi cm cube. So 3000000 pi cm cube of water flows in 60 minutes. So therefore 5000000 pi cm cube of water flows in x minutes. So this is direct proportion. So this is equal to 3000000 upon 5000000 pi is equal to 60 upon x. All zeros get, so x is equal to, simplify this, all zeros get cancelled, So is equal to 60 into 5 upon 3. So that is equal to 20 into 5, and x is equal to 100 minutes. So tank will fill in 100 minutes. Okay. Now go through this example again and again so that you understand, because here many zeros are there. So while calculating this, take care. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.